Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off notification on Snapchat app. So let's get started. The first thing, we go and open the Snapchat app, and after that you click on your picture in the top of the screen, and after that you need to click on the setting icon on the top right of the screen, and after that scroll down until you find notifications, an option called notifications. In this option you will find all the settings of the notification related to the Snapchat app. You can turn them all off if you want, and you can also turn off just some options in the notifications. For some options, like for example for the friend birthdays, you can turn it off. You will not receive any notification related to your friend's birthday, and or you can deactivate them all if you want that, of course. And also if you have messages, all those things. So the choice is yours. You can here activate or deactivate all the options related to the notifications related to Snapchat app. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.